in the U.S. are introducing the pearls to their drinks. Jolene Kent met the entrepreneurs helping to bring the boba boom to the U.S.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a trend that's been taking over the US for years. Boba, also known as bubble tea. You've seen it on social media, in your local cafes, and maybe even on your favorite TV shows. But how did this Taiwanese drink become a sensation in America? In today's video, we're breaking down how social media played a massive role in the boba boom here in the US, and what the current scene looks like. Let's get started. Boba first made its way to the US in the 1990s, thanks to the growing Asian immigrant communities, particularly in cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and New York. These cities served as cultural hubs, where immigrants from Taiwan and other parts of Asia introduced the drink to the American food scene. At first, boba was a niche item, found mostly in Asian neighborhoods and serving as a nostalgic treat for those who grew up with it in Taiwan. The drink was often associated with the community's culture and traditions, making it a beloved yet somewhat hidden gem. However, as Asian American culture began to gain more visibility in the mainstream, so did boba. Asian American students and young professionals introduced their non-Asian friends to the drink, sparking curiosity and interest outside the traditional customer base. This grassroots word-of-mouth spread laid the foundation for boba's expansion into the broader American market. But what really took boba from a niche product to a mainstream hit? You guessed it. Social media. In the early 2010s, platforms like Instagram began to change the way people discovered food. Before social media, food trends were often driven by traditional media, like magazines or TV shows. But with Instagram, anyone could become a food critic or influencer, sharing their culinary experiences with the world. Restaurants and cafes realized that the more Instagrammable their food looked, the more attention they would get online. And boba, with its vibrant colors, unique toppings, and customizable options, became the perfect candidate for this trend. American users started sharing their bubble tea experiences on Instagram, showcasing everything from their favorite flavor combos to the coolest cup designs. The vibrant greens of matcha, the deep blacks of traditional milk tea, and the bright oranges of Thai tea made for eye-catching posts. Add in unique toppings like lychee jelly, popping boba, or even gold flakes, and you had a recipe for viral content. This visual appeal helped boba break out of its niche and gain mainstream popularity across the US. Instagram also allowed boba shops to market themselves directly to customers in a way that hadn't been possible before. Local shops began to invest in aesthetically pleasing interiors, branded cups, and creative menu options, all designed to attract social media-savvy customers. Hashtags like bubble tea, boba love, and boba time started trending, further fueling the drink's rise in popularity. Soon, boba wasn't just a drink, it was a lifestyle. Fast forward to the rise of TikTok, and boba found a whole new wave of fans.
Let's make raspberry boba. I mash together the sugar and raspberries with hot water and strain out the seeds. Then I mix the boba with honey, and I serve mine with fresh raspberry milk.
While Instagram helped boba gain visibility, TikTok took it to another level by making it interactive. TikTok's short-form videos and viral challenges created the perfect environment for boba content to thrive. Videos showcasing satisfying boba recipes, unique flavor combinations, and even ASMR-style clips of people enjoying their drinks took over the platform. One of the most popular trends on TikTok was the DIY boba movement. During the COVID-19 pandemic, when people couldn't easily visit their favorite boba shops, many turned to TikTok to learn how to make it at home. Creators shared recipes for everything from classic milk tea to more adventurous flavors like brown sugar or taro. The process of cooking tapioca pearls, brewing tea, and mixing ingredients became a form of entertainment, as well as a way to satisfy cravings during lockdown. These videos racked up millions of views, and suddenly, everyone wanted to try making boba at home. TikTok's younger audience, which is always on the lookout for the next big trend, quickly adopted boba as a must-try experience. Challenges like trying every flavor on the menu or making your own boba at home went viral, leading to an explosion of interest, particularly among Gen Z and millennials in the US. For many, boba became more than just a drink. It was a cultural touchstone that connected them to global trends and to each other. Today, boba isn't just a trend. It's a staple in many American cities. From small boba shops in Chinatown to high-end cafes in Manhattan, you can find boba just about anywhere. And it's not just limited to traditional Asian neighborhoods anymore. Even large chains and fast food brands have started incorporating boba into their menus, signaling just how mainstream it has become. Starbucks, for example, has experimented with boba-style drinks in select locations, further cementing its place in the American food landscape. In cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Houston, you'll often find long lines outside popular boba spots, with fans eagerly waiting to get their hands on their favorite drink. The American boba market has also seen a surge in innovation. New flavors, toppings, and even boba-inspired desserts have become popular. Think boba ice cream, boba pancakes, or even boba cocktails. The versatility of the drink has allowed it to evolve and adapt to different tastes, making it a favorite for a wide range of consumers. The cultural impact of boba in the U.S. cannot be overstated. It has become a symbol of Asian American identity and pride, as well as a gateway for non-Asians to explore Asian culture. Boba shops have become community hubs, where people from all walks of life come together to enjoy a drink and connect. In many ways, boba has transcended its origins as a Taiwanese street food to become a part of the broader American experience. So, what's next for boba in the U.S.? With the continued influence of social media, boba is likely to keep evolving. New trends like healthier versions of boba or innovative flavors like cheese tea are already making waves. The rise of vegan and gluten-free diets has also led to the creation of alternative boba options, such as using plant-based milk or tapioca substitutes. These innovations ensure that boba can appeal to a wide range of dietary preferences, further expanding its customer base. That's a wrap on today's video. Boba has come a long way in the US thanks to the power of social media. Have you jumped on the boba bandwagon yet? Let us know your favorite flavors or trends in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep sipping.